Okay? So you can use pictures like that in your game or in your multimedia to do that.
Just do I go like file or like insert or something like that and like.
You just click.
Can I get like free clip art or something like that?
Yeah, you can do that. Yeah. And you can put how many? But see, if you had 2 cowboys here, 2 good-looking, because that's the good-looking cowboys. And you know where I got the cowboys from? That was your example, right? I just went with good-looking ones. Then that's the ugly-looking one. I tried to find one like Mr. Lewis, but it didn't work. So he's kind of like Mr. Lewis with a mustache. But go ahead and answer that question if you can. All right. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to talk about your expo page. Olivia, what's your name, baby? It's your birthday. Your username is your school username, your number, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, at sd5lrc.org. You okay, babe? I'll be right over to help you. You guys are using Infotopia over there? Good. Okay, so you had to tell me what your least favorite, and you picked dividing 2, and you have multiplying decimals here, something that you'd like to learn about. So how about we just talk about operations with decimals, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go back from here. You're going to create a new, so notice you're in your folder, click create. You're going to create a new document. And you're going to label it operations with decimals. And operations, do you know what I mean by operations? What does operations in math mean? Does it mean you're going to have surgery? What does an operation mean in math? I'll be right there, babe. You're doing something. What do you do in math? Yes, you do it. Multiply, divide, add, subtract. So you're going to talk about add, subtract, multiply, divide with decimals. So you could put operations, because that's the name for it. Operations with decimals, and make sure you put a title here. And what I want you to do, see, they're already at the research part, but what I want you to do is write every single thing that you know about adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing decimals. Okay? Victoria.
Here. I wrote that.
So 314 because it's the bigger. Oh, okay. That's what you're telling me. Now, I might actually tell you that I'm not sure if that's right. So later I'll look at it and I'll tell you. I'm not sure if that's like, go look. So right now, because we're talking about it, I'm going to tell you, I'm not sure. So if 3 divided by 14, who goes into the house? I'm not sure if 14 goes in because it's a bigger number. That's something I want you to research. Okay? It doesn't always matter. Size doesn't always matter on this stuff. So you just want to be careful. So go look that question up. And you can go to Infotopia. Let me put this back up for you guys. You can go to Infotopia. You can go to, you can just go to Google and search it and see if it gives you an answer. Okay?
Where can I get like clip art?
What you can do is go to Google and search.
Or,
yeah, you can go to Google and search and then copy and paste it. Yep, and I'll help you with that. And let me check over here. What you working on there, Chicky? I put some specific questions for you. SD5. You should. You still need those. You need to take a little break. You want to sit on a smaller stool? You like it up there? Okay. So now you're going to go look at your stuff. And I gave you a harder one because I think you can handle the harder topics. So I kind of started talking about algebraic equations with you. So click in there. And go down, keep going down, because we want to do the one about your... This one. And I put questions for you, specific questions for you. And I want you to answer those questions. And I want, if you don't know the answer, which you probably are not going to, I want you to go research the answer. Okay? And listen, no asking Mr. Lewis or me. We're not going to answer you. Who has to figure out the answer?
You.
You do.
I don't want to know that.
So go figure out what you can do.